In this video, I'm going to show you how we turn the waste from this ready meal into this. Let me show you how we did it. Welcome to Western Sydney, where we're taking a look at a brand new wastewater treatment plant that we've installed for one of Australia's premier ready meals food manufacturers. Let me show you how this client is doing their bit for the environment. From the very beginning, this project presented us with a lot of challenges, none bigger than the fact that we had to fit this whole wastewater treatment plant inside the footprint of 5 car spaces. So the Aerofloat manufacturing and design team had to modify and custom make most of the components so that we could fit everything into this very small footprint. It was tight, but in the end, it's a cleverly designed wastewater treatment plant that fits the space. So let's take a look at how this particular wastewater treatment plant operates. Here's a quick 5-step process. The food processing machines are washed down with water. So in step 1, we need to take the food out of the water. This wastewater is pumped to a rotating drum screen, allowing wastewater to pass through while removing the food solids for off-site composting. Step 2, the variability of the wastewater from hour to hour needs to be averaged out. So we do this here in a large balance tank through mixing and aeration. We also pH correct the water, which is really important for the next process in step 3. The wastewater here is transferred through a series of pipelines where we introduce a coagulant and a flocculant. Essentially, these chemicals turn the suspended solids in the wastewater into larger clumps of solids. And the reason we want these large clumps of solids is for step 4. Here, the solids are mixed with millions of nanobubbles in our Aerofloat dissolved air flotation system. These bubbles float the solids to the top of the tank and are then scraped off and stored in a sludge tank. On to step 5. The continuous operation allows clear water at the bottom of the DAF to flow out to the sewer for a final pH check. With all of the solids removed from the water, the client's discharging up to 30,000 litres per hour, helping to prevent blocked sewers and many other environmental problems downstream whilst being compliant for Sydney Water. If you think we can assist you with your wastewater needs, we'd love to hear from you.